everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm sorry I got cut off from yesterday's video. I meant to say if I'm not here tomorrow I'll see you on Thursday, but anyway, never mind. So I've got my flexi hand in shade S309. I love this one so much. I've also got a load of Madam Glam colours. There's so many. I am going to do a Galaxy set today because you were asking for a Galaxy set. Today's one is going to be a gel polish set. This black that I'm just using here isn't Madam Glam. The black now I'm using here is Madam Glam. For some reason I had a different brand mixed up with my Madam Glam. I think it's because the bottles are quite similar. Anyway, it's gone and I'm now using purely Madam Glam. This colour is called Starry Night. In my opinion, if you want a Galaxy nail and you want it quick, this is the only gel polish you're going to need. Oh, plus your black one. As a black, you need it as a black, you need a black base. So, oh yeah, and you're going to need a magnet. So you're going to need two other things. So over the top of your black base that you've cured for 30 seconds, go over with one coat of this Starry Night gel polish. This is a cat's eye peacock colour. That's what they call it. Peacock cat's eye or cat's eye peacock. Right, take your brush, not your brush, your magnet, and go over it and you're going to get a peacock line. No, you're not. You're going to get a cat's eye line. Oh my god. If you wanted to use the other side of the magnet with the round end, you could create a different look. I just thought today I'd go with the simple cat's eye line. But you can see that gel polish has got those holographic bits through them, which makes it look like stars and university. Is that? Oh, I don't know if that's a word. Universe-like. So all these nails I will be top coating with Madam Glam's non-wipe top coat. I had a bit of something there that I didn't want to get cured into that gel, and I'm not going to push the nail back into the finger until it's cured because knowing my luck I will ruin it. So I've got a few colours that I'm going to be putting on my palette. The first one here is called Slow Burn. This is the most incredible blue. You need this in your life. If you don't have it, get that one. This one again is, oh, this one is so pigmented, it's gorgeous. It's called Kiss or Lie. This is another one I would recommend having in your Madam Glam collection. Next one is Captain My Captain. This is kind of a translucent one, but it's got a really nice shimmer through it. The next one is called Dream Diamonds. This is one of the new ones they sent me. It's like a light blue gel, but it's got this gorgeous hollow glitter through it. And then Enchanted Sky. I've had this one for a little while. This has got some dust on it. This has got iridescent glitter through it. And then the last one, which again is one of the newer ones they sent me, is Cloud 9. And it's like got these metallic flakes in this light blue gel. It's really, really nice. So on this nail, I'm going to use my detailer brush and I'm going to apply the gel polish onto the nail in random places, I suppose, but not completely random because we kind of want it to follow a pattern. So it's kind of, they're kind of going on in the same direction, but we're just going to randomly place them on. I hope I'm making sense. This is going to be sort of like a marbled nail, and then once you've placed them on, we're going to use the detailer brush to sort of blend them a little bit. But you don't want to over blend them because you don't want them to look like a gel polish mush. I don't know if that's a proper word. You don't want it to look mushy and dirty. I will have more information about my detailer brush soon. I know some of you have been asking about it. Literally, I'm dying to tell you all, but honestly, you don't have much longer to wait. So keep an eye out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So as you can see, I am only going to put on here one coat. So I'm now going to use my detailer brush just to start blending them together slightly. Again, as I said before, don't over blend them. Just kind of, you just want it so that there aren't really any gaps. You just want them to kind of join and interconnect slightly. I don't know if that's a proper word. Add a little bit more on here or there if you want. And this is the look that we've got. So pretty. I also forgot to add some of the Enchanted Sky, so I'm going to add some of that on. It looks nicer over the darker colours, but if you have it on white, it also looks extremely nice. I must do something with it on white. Oh, you're going to love it. So there we go. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. and this is what it looks like. So I haven't top coated that one yet. The next one I'm going to do exactly the same, well, pretty much exactly the same, but we've got a black base to start with. I'm also going to put the colours on going in slightly different directions, so it's not going to look exactly the same. I will let you just watch this bit. There we go. And then as before, once you're kind of happy with where the colours are placed, you just want to kind of blend them together so that they don't look separate, but they don't want to be too mixed up. And there we go, that's what this one looks like. So that I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and I haven't top coated that one yet either. The next two nails, the index and the thumb, I've gone ahead and put 2 coats of black on. Then I am going over with Starry Night again. So the thumb I'm going to magnetize. I'm going to make sure that it's going in the opposite direction to the pinky, and I'm going to leave the index as it is. So I'm getting, right, yeah, we need perfect white as well, forgot about that. So we need perfect white, so I'm going to put a little bit of that on my palette as well. But before I do that, I'm just going to go over with some of the colours on this unmagnetized nail. This is cured, so we just add in some of the uncured gel polish colours to the cured nail so far. Am I making sense? I hope I'm making sense. I don't know, this was I was literally just playing around with this set, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to record it just in case I like it. And I did quite enjoy it, so like it, I did quite like it. Right, yeah. So I've got this old alpha brush, just any brush will do, and then I'm going to dab it into the white, and we're going to make some random white blobs, or just like white trail on the nails. Don't worry, I know it's kind of covering it all up, but we're going to do something else. I leave the pinky for some reason. I don't know why I left the pinky. Oh, I think it's because I'd already top coated it, and I thought, oh, it didn't matter, because I didn't even know if I was going to put this on YouTube, but I kind of like it. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol in my brush, and I am just using it to disperse that colour of the white gel. The white gel isn't cured. Oh dear. So if you feel you want to, you can add a little bit more white here and there, which is what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of alcohol, just until you're kind of happy with it. I kind of wanted it to look a bit like, not like clouds, but like some kind of, I don't really know what I was thinking, more of like maybe like some kind of gas in the, I don't know, just some kind of, I don't really know. If you want it to be clouds, it can be clouds. Oh dear. Maybe let's just say it's clouds. So yeah, so just carry on across the nails, dispersing that colour until you're happy. And then once you're happy, you can cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we're going to take our non-wipe top coat, and we're going to top coat that. I did watch a live yesterday on the Nail Chemie channel with Carmel, who was doing ombres, and if I'd have watched that before I'd done this set, I would have put the base coat over this first and let it settle into any grooves on the nails here, and then gone over with top coat, because it kind of hides it kind of like settles into the grooves and hides the lumps and bumps on the nails, which I thought was a really, really good thing, good advice. So this is a finished set. I hope you liked them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. You can get yourself 30% off Madam Glam gel polishes using my code NATMUG30. There is a link in the description box for you to follow, and yeah, go and check their website out. I hope you like this, and I will see you on Thursday. I got to the end.